Oh, I'm sorry. Were you trying to reach the ship to call for help, perhaps?
What's the matter, Creamy? Can't pick on someone your own size?
What do you know? It does fetch.
Well, didn't go exactly as planned.
That's because any first cycle cadet knows better than to detonate a grenade in a confined space.
Even if I intended the confined space to be the belly of the beast. Sir,
Your actions continue to be just one step removed from getting us all scrapped.
with all due respect, sir, the Predacon's loose, and MIKO's out there alone. Permission to provide cover, sir?
Make a record, as you no doubt did the record.
Starscream, status report.
Master, we have secured the phone, and our Predacon is dealing with the Autobot pet human as we speak. On my command, of course.
I will not risk losing a precious commodity to your advocate.
I'll tear you apart.
Have the beast return with my prize immediately. You can stay behind. Finish the Autobot.
Yes, Master. Assuming I can coerce the brainless brute into You never obeyed my command. You heard our master. We must go kick the Autobot. Soon as I receive what belongs to me. Even the strongest armor can't protect the weakest of creatures.
That's of you, isn't it? Who's wrecking who now?
MIKO. Perhaps you weren't wrong about the human after all.